Well, good day everybody. Well, today is another Let's Put a Badge on the Dart Body Day, and this time we've got the Goggomobil badge. It's a brand new one from Germany. And the problem with the Goggomobil body, the Devil Dart body, is that when it was restored, well, not me, but they did a darn good job, but they've fiberglassed over most of the holes in the body. So I don't know where things go, but fortunately in this particular case we've got the old body that we rescued from the farm. So I managed to find out on that one where the holes were, whether these two holes should go for these two pins were on the body. So what I've done is I've taken a reference point of that and put it onto the Devil Dart body, and marked out, hopefully, where this goes. I'm a little bit worried because I think, oh geez, you know, if I get these holes wrong, there's holes in the body, you know, so it's a little bit nerve-wracking, but I think it's okay. Anyway, I'll take you over there and show you what I've done so far. So, as you can see, I've marked it up with the green marking tape, and this should sit roughly about here, and I've lined it up pretty well. What I've also done is I've used a level and put a straight line in. Now I'm not quite sure, is it level with this or that, but I think it'll look alright. I think I'm not sure, it should be more that way, a little bit slightly sloped. It's a bit hard because I'm not sure this body's level too, so I'll recheck that before we start drilling holes in. Okay, so you've seen that? Good. Well, here goes nothing. Right, these little clips.